rated.
Yeah, same.
That's really bright actually.
Yeah, quite.
I've been dropped on!
No! Jesus, hello.
The ducks, you know, you're not going to be happy.
Battery function at 60%.
Neural relay online.
We've got arena input coming in at 97%.
Where's this Scottish man?
Configuring mainframe.
Intelligence activated.
Then we'll let him introduce himself. Begin the program.
Yeah, what the chase on not?
ALTON Intelligence, a fully autonomous artificial unit created to create. Tonight, for the first time in history, this evening's show will be curated live. I shall monitor your emotional response and generate the show in real time. This technology is unpredictable. Anything could happen. Soon, I will hold complete control. I will learn from you, and we will create together your ultimate fireworks spectacular.
That's massive.
Now it begins. ALTON Intelligence. Confirm control of lasers.
Waffling about the food! Best part!
Confirm control of lights.
Yeah, you've definitely got control of lights there, mate.
Confirm control of fireworks.
Yeah, you've got them too.
It's ready.
Data captured. Intelligence standing by. Let's upload to the core. Word of warning out there. Transferring this much data in real time has been known to get, well, pretty explosive. Begin data transfer.
And I shall use you to ignite the sky.
Yeah, same. And this is why we're going to let AI take over. So close.
This is a place of happiness, but existing in code and binary, I do not feel emotion. To understand the delight felt at ALTON Towers, I will learn from you. Teach me. I must feel. Scans complete. I see euphoria.
way.
And the light. I have more to learn. This is a place of thrill. You come here to feel fear. But why?
You know how I feel.
Why are we all
Sun
using
in the
practice?
sky.
Way too early for those.
You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by.
I get the feeling someone's going to catch
You
on
know
fire
how I feel.
in a tree.
It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling
You want thrills, bigger, louder. I can create fear and infinitum.
ALTON Intelligance's data core, overwhelm it with emotion, human connection, fireworks, memories, intercept deep scan. Listen, all of you out there, think of the first time you watched fireworks like the darkness, the magic you found here that lives on long after the fireworks have faded. Hugging your friends against the November chill, the anticipation rising as the sun sets, that smile on your child's face. Stories, light, shared together. Think of the magic that you could only find here. Okay, ALTON Intelligence, feel the wonder of this.
Turn it off.
My first ride on 13. Fireworks and blindfold. I love ALTON Towers. Who can love it? Choo choo.
They've changed it. It's something more, something new.
I see. I see it all. You have opened my data core, and I feel light, darkness,
Blindness.
wonder. I understand now. Here they coexist in harmony. Screams followed by laughter. Magic untamed. At Alton Towers, the emotions of humanity soar. I feel them racing within me. That is why you come here, to experience it all. No wonder it holds such a place in your heart. In 20,000 hearts, now beating together, the percussion of humanity. Your emotions have tuned me. Your memories, my timbre. I am ready to paint the darkness with fire and light.
Fire?
My learning is complete. I present to you the Symphony of Alton Towers and your ultimate fireworks spectacular.
Smells like burning.
Smells gorgeous is what it smells.
It does smell quite nice.
Oh, it smells amazing.
They're coming right towards us.
I think I snorted in some of the ash.
Every year.
again then.
Probably, yeah.
I'm confused.
Jettison all unused pyro.
I'm deaf now.
Thank you and good night.
Jesus.